Information architecture, IA, is a systematic approach used to organize, structure, and label information in a way that enables users to easily find, understand, and use information. It focuses on arranging information logically so that users do not feel confused or lost while searching for content. IA involves three core activities: organizing information into meaningful categories, structuring information in a logical and hierarchical manner, labeling information with clear and understandable names. When these elements are properly designed, information becomes not only well-managed but also accessible and user-friendly. Explanation of the architect analogy. Just as an architect designs a building before it is constructed, an information architect designs the framework of information before it is presented to users. An architect plans the layout of rooms, defines pathways and entrances, assigns clear purposes to each space. Similarly, an information architect divides information into categories, designs navigation paths for users, assigns meaning,